Hey guys, I swear every time I talk to you, I'm wearing a gray shirt. This one I think is different than the last ones, but gray is just like my painting color. Anyways, I'm in the living room and you can see behind me that I'm working on painting. This side here, I've already got started and I've got this here. This is the Sherwin-Williams Fashionable Gray. Doing this for the living room. Then for the kitchen, I'm doing the Sherwin-Williams Livable Green. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited. So let me show you what I've got so far, and yeah. So here is the first coat that I have on so far. You guys, I'm loving it. I've got that trimmed out right now. I'm gonna do that next. But just, I'm in love. This was the gray that I was looking for. Not like a black and white gray, but it's almost got like a hint of like purple in it. I'm obsessed. So right now Justin is outside weed whacking, so let's go spy on him, shall we? So there he is. This is our backyard. It needs a little bit of maintenance. We had a lot of trees cut down and we have a family that's taking the wood that was cut, but yeah, he's out there doing some maintenance today. Like I said, we got a lot of stuff we gotta do out there, but here's like our little patio area right now. So I sent him outside to start doing some of the yard work while I work on the painting inside. Hey guys, so it is currently October 3rd, and I got out of work a little while ago. Figured I'd come over to the house and do a couple things. Things are still under construction here, but we are so close to being almost finished. We just have windows in the front bedroom to replace and then put on like the molding, trim stuff. And then our monitor for our heating, that has to be installed. I gotta get internet. Gotta start shopping for that. That's gonna be fun. I think Justin and I are gonna stick with like streaming. I don't think we're gonna do TV and cable because that's just too expensive. Back bedroom is almost done. Just have to put on the closet doors and I gotta paint them too. So there's that. And I gotta finish painting my side, but it's stuff that like, does it have to be done right this minute? No, it can wait. So anyways, I'm going to just take you for a quick little tour. There's still boxes, there's still cardboard around, there's still tools. So ye be warned, it's still a work in progress, but just wanted to show you guys a little bit of an update of what we've done since I last filmed. So let's do a little tour, shall we? So here is the front bedroom. This is like the tool catch-all area right now. With the windows over there that need to be done. But this room just needs a few more things and that will be done. And then let's come out here. So as you guys can see, here is the living room right now. There's boxes and stuff, but painting is done. Working on setting up the lamps. There's what that looks like. Let me, over here, this is the dual rocking recliners, love seat, I don't know what you call it. That's what we got there. We also have another love seat as well, but that hasn't been put in the house yet. Bought these little tables and coffee table and end table set at Walmart for $99. Love it. Just have a few trinkets out, just kind of see what it will look like, you know, but yes, so the paint in here is all done and I'm obsessed. Over here, you guys will see, I put on some contact paper and oh my God, I love how it looks. I wanted to try it because, you know, eventually we'll do something with the countertops, but right now I just want to get rid of that blue color that was there. I'll insert a picture to show before what it looked like. This was actually fairly easy to install. Not bad. I did it myself. So there's that. Just have a few things set up. Here is that. You guys, this month will be 11 months till our wedding day. So there's that. All right, so here is what the countertop looked like before. Was not a fan of it, the blue. So this was when I was just trying the first strip, seeing what it looked like. I loved it. You can kind of see a few seams, but you really have to look. You know, you can just see a little bit up there in the top corner. But overall, I think this is such an upgrade. It's renter friendly, so if you're renting, you can do this. I just loved how it turned out, so highly recommend. Now, as we walk into the kitchen is still a disaster right now. But as you can see, I am doing the same thing here on the sink. Watched a couple of YouTube videos on how to do it, and it's not too bad. The hardest part is definitely like on these corners, but I mean, not bad. We're getting there. Kind of taking the day off from it because I had some painting to finish. So I'm painting in here. I'll show like a before picture here too. I just kind of wanted this to be all cohesive together. Painting the front white. This is the second coat. Probably need at least one more coat, if not two, for the white. I'm also thinking about doing something with these because I just don't like it. Might try a wallpaper over it or like a contact paper. Not sure. We'll see. We'll see. So here is the color that we went with in the kitchen. It's like a really light sage green color. Absolutely love it because I figured it would complement the backsplash. I have not painted the wainscoting here yet. Again, it's not like a super high priority. Do eventually want to have it done. Did it all the way down the hallway here and did it on this side where the laundry room is. The bathroom in here, you guys know I haven't really done anything with that. In here in this bedroom, you can see this is where we need to have the closet doors hung, but oh, I just crashed into the door. Anyways, here is the bed. I need to get a dust ruffle for it, but I put on the new comforter that I got. Love it. So there's that. We have the molding in here. Got to do the caulking around here just to seal everything, but this is pretty much it, you guys. Like, we are almost done. Obviously, like, the bed's gonna go back a little bit further because, you know, I had to paint the trim on the top here today because I didn't get a chance to do that. So had to do that today, so I pulled out the bed, but there's that. All right, guys, so I hope you like that little bit of an updated tour and just checking out to see how everything's going. You guys know the drill. I'll be checking back in when more stuff happens. Some things I'm having a hard time filming because I'm doing things by myself, and yeah, it's kind of hard, you know, to do some of that stuff. But as much things that I can film, I've tried to film, so I'm just doing this series to try and help out anybody who might also be doing a mobile home renovation or even just a home renovation. Just get ideas for things. So yeah. All right, guys, you know the drill. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell the way you're notified when I do an upload. All right, guys, to my next video, I will see you later. Bye.